In this video, we'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Tinder account on your Android or iPhone device. But before we dive into the steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to delete your Tinder account. Your support and engagement with our content are greatly appreciated. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better tutorials for you. Now, let's get started. To delete your Tinder account, open the Tinder app on your smartphone. Please note that the process is the same for both Android and iPhone devices. In your Tinder account's homepage, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, in your Tinder account's profile, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the Tinder account settings page. At the very bottom, you'll find the option to delete your account permanently. To proceed with account deletion, select Delete Account. If you wish to keep your account but not be visible to others, you can temporarily pause your account. You can do this by selecting Pause My Account. However, for permanent account deletion, select Delete My Account. Now choose the reason for leaving Tinder from the provided options. If your reason is not listed, you can select Other. A confirmation message will appear, explaining that by deleting your account, you'll lose access to your profile, messages, photos, and matches. Tinder delays the deletion process for 90 days for safety reasons. If you log back into your account during this period, your deletion request will be canceled. Remember, you can create a new profile anytime. That's how you can permanently delete your Tinder account on your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Your engagement encourages us to create more content like this. For additional tutorials and tips, you can visit our website at mediamagnet.business. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn how to delete your Plenty of Fish account on mobile, be sure to check out our other video. See you there.